as that. 7 years down the line, Mr. Speaker, I shudder at the thinking that EACC can take 7 years to investigate a matter. What happened with many cases of counties that corruption cases, that litany of corruption cases, Mr. Speaker? And therefore, unless EACC does not have capacity, does not have competence, it can be disbanded. We can form another one, Mr. Speaker, sir. Unless EACC has done into public relations exercise in discharging its duty, Mr. Speaker. So I don't see any reason. The committee, Mr. Speaker, should immediately give us direction, Senator Mungatana and Senator Peris Tobiko, that they should order, and I propose that we bring amendment to this report, that EACC to give a report within 21 days upon adoption and resolution of the House report, Mr. Speaker, so that it can allow the people of Tharaka to build their seat, their county assembly, to allow MCAs. And I want to congratulate Senator Mwenda Kataya, who is our member, a very efficient member, Mr. Speaker. He's a proof of bottom-up. He came from an MCA to a very serious senator of Tharaka Nithi, and I don't have a doubt in his capacity. Having served in where we served together in the Public Accounts Committee, he has shown a lot of knowledge, past knowledge, Mr. Speaker. You cannot imagine that he's the first-term senator. He is doing extremely well, very well, Mr. Speaker. And seizing matter of this, I want to challenge you, Senator Mofire. You have the blessings of your colleagues on the floor of the House. We will work together through these baby steps to ensure, Mr. Speaker, that the great people of Tharaka Nithi. The second point, Mr. Speaker, I have seen, Mr. Speaker, what shocks me is that these agencies work together. One of the reports says is awaiting subdivision and change of registration to accommodate the new user. County government has a role in playing in terms of land. National Land Commission is a custodian of both public, community, and private land. So what do you need? Do we need to call upon the Senate to guide agencies of government to work together, Mr. Speaker, to complement each other? So, Mr. Speaker, we need to be serious. Because yes, the report is here. So I expected the report to direct that the National Land Commission, the county government of Tharaka Nithi, where my good friend, the governor, Utomi Njoki, or the governor, to work together. So if you tell us they are still waiting for change of user, lands